Look at this guy. It's so amazing how organized it is. So right here we have the set table chair for patient registration. In here we have set up for volunteer check-in. And in the volunteer section we have the orientation for dental assistant. You can see that right here, dental assistant checking in. So you can talk. And then we have the clinic going on right here, like crazy going on right now. Blood pressure check, x-ray room. This is the x-ray room. You can see that all got portable x-ray unit. After the x-ray done, we're gonna go to the place where they do blood test or pressure test examination. Patient is waiting. It turned out very successful. Look at that. Doctor is working. The supply people are ready to supply. This is more than the blessing that we can see. Say hello, everyone. Say hello, everyone. Thank you for working. This is really truly an amazing experience.